Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button. Today we're going to look at an honest review on the YieldFlow platform, and I wish I had a chance to show this one to you earlier because the price charts look so bullish. This is a perfect one-stop crypto shop for all DeFi lovers, where basically you can provide liquidity, earn interest, passive rewards, you can stake, you can even lend crypto as well. So it's known as YieldFlow, a decentralized, secure and anonymous platform where within 30 seconds you can basically get up and running, started and start earning yield. So this is really a cool project. I like this DeFi protocol a lot, and I'm gonna be looking into it for the future. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, so please do your own research. But this is the coin here known as YieldFlow, where we can lend, we can stake, you can actually access liquidity pools as well. And what you can do is find your favorite cryptocurrency and then let it work for you as a back burner passively. So YieldFlow offers a wide variety of pre-selected and valuable digital assets that earn yields for you via smart contracts. Hence, your asset always belongs to you. And you can see, just scrolling at the bottom, some different APYs for some different coins that we really like. You know, we've got Polygon Matic here, 5.56 APY. We've got Phantom at 4.5% APY. I think that's Cardano at 4.2%. We've got Chainlink at 3.1%, Aave or Aave 6%, which is really good. And even the King Bitcoin 2.34%, Sandbox APY 5%, Ethereum 10%, other games 5%. We've got Uniswap at 7.3%, so that's really incredible. And even Tether, the stable coin, at 10% APY, which is absolutely amazing. So how does it work? You connect the MetaMask or Trezor or Ledger via the browser. You select your desired asset to begin the yield farming, and then you can grow passively through the platform. And it says here, earn yields in 30 seconds. And that's like not a lot of time at all, you know. It probably takes me more time to tie my shoes, you know, than I could actually start to earn yield here on YieldFlow. So it says, select your digital asset and put it to work, securely earning your yields and growing your portfolio passively. So that's interesting. I think there's a lot of upside potential here, creating the future of finance today. You can see they've got 20 plus assets, 10k active users, and already a market capital of $365 million with an average APY of 15%. So some pretty decent numbers here. And I think DeFi is going to be a huge part of the future, being your own bank, you know, being able to control your own APYs, your passive incomes, and really diversify your portfolio in this way that allows you to have sort of lucrative investment opportunities. So it's obviously a DeFi platform, a financial protocol, and I think it looks really cool. So it's secure, simple, anonymous as well through the Web3 landscape. And the roadmap here, we do have a nice long-term roadmap. So 2023, we're seeing the integration of DeFi with bot automation. 2023 also, we've got implementation of governance tools moving through to next year. So it's a long-term sort of plan here. It says implementation of non-fungible tokens. 2024 as well, we're going to see integration of smart flow models to connect staking, lending, DeFi to one product, integration of digital real estate assets as well, and also art assets. So it could be like a hint of NFTs. And then through to 2025, we're actually seeing this go through to the next crypto bull run and beyond, a decentralized passive trading. I mean, they've really got their eyes looking forward to the future, which is so important. But I think it's really cool. So firstly, we can see there is an application on the phone and tablet here, which is always a good start. But just looking at the overall project, it's really cool. So what are they doing in a nutshell? Decentralized services, their solution that they provide. It says, well, they passionately believe in financial world based on trust. So that's what they want to see. They want to see a financial world based on trust, security, anonymity, enabled by smart contracts. The goal is to enable financial sovereignty for everyone. And the available technologies provides all the necessary parts of decentralized environment, covering the term investing in cryptocurrency assets does not mean just holding or hodling them. They aim to grow the portfolio in a secure, anonymous way, and they've achieved that through the YieldFlow sort of platform. So what is YieldFlow about? It says we offer a solution by removing technical complexity from the equation for the customers. A team of blockchain and finance experts valued and pre-selected all the investment possibilities on YieldFlow and covered the main passive flow streams such as staking, lending, and liquidity mining at the beginning. We will further implement new pairings and technologies to maximize customers' security, the anonymous side of it, and also the profitability at the same time. So you can see here a network map of how it works. You've got the user with crypto anonymously through the YieldFlow application, and then you can do anonymous staking, anonymous DeFi, anonymous lending, and then future scaling at the same time. So it's really great. The ecosystem itself comprising of staking, lending, decentralized finance, and you can also get the highest security levels at the same time. Now this is the price chart. It's been absolutely outrageous, really big stuff. The market cap is actually up to $372 million right now, with 727k liquidity. So the price per token is $7.45, and since I reckon March 2023, this coin has gone outrageous, a 350% increase in price. So yeah, we're a little bit late to see that massive pump. I think there's a lot of upside potential, and if you're looking through towards the next crypto bull run where these DeFi platforms do achieve $1 billion+ market capitals, it's very possible to see this coin keep on going up and up. And even from where we currently are, a 10x would put you at sort of 3.7 billion, and that 10x would take us up to a huge amount. We'd see a $70 YieldFlow token here for that sort of 10x if it did happen. It's hard to say what will happen in the future, but I still think we're potentially early looking at the price analysis here. Now on a bearish side, I think we've got quite a lot of support around the $4.50 region, but recently it's just been pumping and pumping and pumping. It's not even had a single chance to correct just yet. So I am also looking at the Fibonacci landscape here. 0.618 would indicate a $5.5 correction, and the 0.786 would be a $4.98 correction, where we could potentially look at reaccumulation. It's hard to say, it's risky, it's volatile, but so far this coin has only gone onwards and upwards. So hopefully we can see some more continuation from a bullish perspective here. So staking here is how the dashboard looks. The app here, it looks really clean, really nice. It says bake nodes and earn staking rewards in real time. So if you are someone that has some crypto on the side, but you're not really putting it to work to capitalize more cryptocurrency, this could be a really solid platform to do so. And you just simply activate the product here. You activate it through your MetaMask or whichever other sort of soft wallet that you have available to use, and you can get started. So already we can see Polygon Matic 5.56 APY. We've got Sandbox at a 10% APR, which is really strong as well. We can also see we've got liquidity pools, we've got lending, so ongoing batches. Of course, Aave is already a lending platform, 3.42% APY here, and also Aave lending synthetics at 2.9% APY right there. So new lending services, guaranteed returns. It says get a guaranteed base APY and earn yields in just 7 days. We also have the liquidity pool side of things, usually a bit more risky because you've got two pairs together, but I think it's pretty cool to see this anyhow. So what we can see today is we've got Link to Ethereum, we've got APY at 3.99%, we've got Matic to Ethereum at 7.39%, we've got Mana to Ethereum at 7.83%, USDT to Ethereum at 4.89% as well. So there's a ton of different liquidity pairs. I've even got Pepe to ETH at 49.76%. So this really takes me back to the beginning of decentralized finance, where we saw PancakeSwap at the start, the DeFi platform on the BSC chain, and they had so many crazy liquidity pairs. And if you get in early enough onto these DeFi platforms, you can actually make quite a lot of money. LP token staking, nothing here available yet because I've not done that, but it's good to see so far 10+ assets already on this particular platform. I think from their social side of things, they've got 45 followers. They could be more active on the social wheels. I suppose that's a bit strange to only see 45 followers yet such a high market capitalization, but they have been doing a lot of traditional marketing through articles, affiliate programs, and some other kind of strategies which must have also worked well for them. But we can see it as a legit project, but like always, just don't risk more than you can afford to lose. And if you feel unsure about something, do your own research, validate that through your own research, and look at the white papers which have been provided. So they've got a very extensive white paper. You can see the table of contents here on the left. It does go through everything, the smart contracts. They've even got all their sort of token addresses here, as we can see the Phantom staking, the Polygon staking, the Aave, the Sand staking. It's all here for us to look at on chain, and I do like that level of transparency. I think it's very important to see the level of transparency, especially in crypto today, where we see a lot of malicious, unfortunately we do see sort of rug pulls happen every now and then. So it's good that we've got all of the Etherscan addresses. We can see all of the token for the liquidity pairs right here, which is super important. We've got the LP contracts on display. We can see here fee structure. The customers will be charged by 3 different fee types. So if you're gonna do this, you're going to actually have a small management fee on the side. I guess the more you buy, the lower the fee. So if you're buying or gaining or using less tokens on the ecosystem, the input is going to have a higher fee, but the more you have, the more YieldFlow tokens, the less fee there will actually be. There's also a recommendation program as well, which they're using to get people to share the coin to organically grow at the same time. So far I really like it. The YieldFlow token is the governance token of the YieldFlow protocol. It is possible to use the YieldFlow token in the following way. So what can you do in the ecosystem? YieldFlow can be used for governance. Each token holder has an equal weight of proposal power, just like a DAO, according to the amount of tokens held in the wallet. So it's almost like being a shareholder, I suppose. So there is a governance model right here where you're going to have the governor alpha, a time lock at the same time, which is kind of cool. YieldFlow staking single staking contract, or YSSC. So it's pretty kind of sort of deep DeFi stuff right here, but it's worth taking a look at. And you can see there are 3 initial staking options. You've got the no lockup, the 6 months lock, and also the 12 months lock. And I imagine, just like many other protocols, the longer you lock in, the higher the APY